on the V6 version, 3.5 liter engine on your GLK 350. You replaced the filter, which is easily accessible, if you didn't know, right under here. This is your filter housing. You unscrew this, the filter's inside, you put the new O-rings. Okay, so after you change the oil, you put the new oil, 7 liters, and let's assume you did all that right. Well, you have another thing to do. You have to reset the service inside the car, which is a software reset. So you are telling the computer that the oil has been changed. And let me take you to that and show you how that is done. Okay, and after you're inside the car, make sure the door is closed. It will not work with the door open. And in this case, what we're gonna do is gonna be a combination of 2 buttons. But first, insert your key in the ignition. You just do 1 turn right here. And as you see, everything lights up in the dashboard. But to make sure that we're in the right position, you see the temperature gauge and the fuel gauge have not changed. So you are in the first position only. Make sure your dashboard is showing where the mileage is, as you see right there. Then you come back to the steering wheel and you press the left arrow and get ready with a call button. Press the left arrow, goes to the trip, then hold the call button and the OK button. Now let them go after you see the change on the screen. As you see on the dashboard, it says vehicle data, Dynamom test, or assist plus. We want to go to assist plus. We click the arrow down and we go to assist plus. Then click OK on assist plus. Full service data is to see the service that you already might have. We are not interested in that right now. With the arrow down, we go to full service, because that's what we did today. We changed the oil and we changed the filter. And at the full service option, we click OK. And here it shows you the service options. Those are mostly for dealers. But we did a full service, so confirm full service. You click OK, confirm full service. OK, click yes. OK, go down to confirm. It cannot be undone, obviously, because we already did the service, so we're not lying. Click OK. And full service carried out. So now, your car has been fully serviced. In this case, we just, after that, we click the back button to go back on the main screen. You turn the key out, you take it from the ignition, and then put it back on the ignition to just make sure it's working good. And as we see, let's wait for the lights. Then let's hit it. Now the engine is on, and we have no lights to add any oil or anything. And everything is perfect. It's ready to go. And that is how you confirm your service after you change your oil and filter in your car. And with that said, I hope this video helped somebody out there. And keep your Mercedes running. They're beautiful cars if you maintain them. They're not that expensive if you keep hands on them. Bye!